Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 1 nutrients, and this is a handwritten notes with me only, and in this I cover everything, whatever importance questions and whatever is in this one I totally cover everything. So let's see this here. So here it is going to be starting from photosynthesis. Okay now, so you can see this one. Okay, right. So these are some important points which is given by me only according to your chapter. Whatever the important point is there, okay now, this is especially for TS and AP. So according to the recommendation of the video, they can watch easy type 4 mark question. So here you can see this is an important question. Question is also there, okay now, with important question, notes with important question. And here you can see light reaction and dark reaction, what is this, and chlorophyll and complex, that one is chloroplast. Okay, autotrophic nutrients and heterotrophic. Okay now, autotrophic means which is depend by ourselves, we can say. Heterotrophic means depend on others. It is something doesn't prepare their food with harm, like animals. We are human beings and animals, they are totally depend on plants and animals only. Okay na? So I hope something is it clear for you. And next you can see this one. Explain the structure of a chloroplast with an neatly labeled sketch. Okay, then here it is answered. Here you can see. Then fourth question you can see, how is the small intestine designed to absorb the digested food? Explain. And till sixth here is it, what is the nutrients? Explain some nutrients deficiency diseases. Okay na? And then next you can see here also. Okay na? Here you can see the ninth, draw a neatly labeled diagram of chloroplast. Okay, and 10th one you can also see. And here is a picture of that one. Okay now, like salivary gland, expansions, stomach, pancreas. Okay, and here is a 2 mark question. Okay, here is a 2 mark question. Actually, I get something. My health is not good, so that's why. Okay, right. So next you can see from here also, what will happen to the protein digestion has the medium resistance and something. You can see what is the role of roses in the alimentary tract. Then here you can see, how do you non-green plants such as fungi and bacteria obtain nutriment. Okay, and next you can go through the here also. Okay, I hope is it clear for you and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding to this one or something else from here. Okay, right. So 1 mark question you can see. 1 mark question is it is they will ask you in the fill in the blanks, or otherwise it is in a multiple choice question, or you can say objective type question they will ask. Okay, right. So you can see what is the function of digestive enzymes, what is the role of the saliva and the digestion of the food, and 10th question you can see. Okay, well actually in this video, in this note, it is still here only. Whatever in this one, everything is clear here. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet another video. And if you have any kinds of doubt regarding to the Telangana state board and Andhra state board or any state board else from this state, so definitely you have to recommend to me, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 2 respiration notes. So this is a handwritten notes, and in this we are going to see all the importance about the chapter, and we are going to see the also some important question also, like 4 marks, 2 marks and 1 marks. Okay, so something, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's see this one. Okay, so here you can see this is some important points which is related to your chapter, which I cover here. Okay na? After the ending of the this important points, I cover the 4 mark questions, okay now, which is very important for your board examination, or you can say public examination. Like difference between inspiration and expiration I can see here, okay now. Then after I can you can see here Arabic respiration and Arabic respiration. Then respiration combustion, here you can see. So these are some questions which we are going to see, like photosynthesis and respiration. So actually difference between is very important question in TS and AP also. Okay now, in both state board only they will ask, or any state board, the difference between they will definitely ask you one 4 mark question. Okay now. So let's see here. Then you can see here what are the observation in the combustion of sugar activities. Observation in combustion of sugar. Okay. Then fourth one you can see here, what is the pathway taken by the air respiration. Alright. Here you can see this is a diagram. Actually it is a diagram also given in your textbook also. So it is something related, but according to you can see this one. Draw a block diagram showing events in respiration. Okay. Here you can also see. Then here you can see cellular respiration is here given, and then after 6 question is given here. How do you appreciate the mechanisms of respiration in our body? Then seventh one you can see. Okay. Then observation is given here. After the observation you can see how can you prove that CO2 is evolved during respiration. So you can see here, is it proving something? Alright. So this one 10th is very important, and the diagram is very important, because in this diagram we will understand how it is going to be, because our ribs is very flexible. So that's why it is going to be up and down. Okay, up and down means like when we breathe, it is like how you pushing the air on the balloon, it is going to be something it's a bigger size and a smaller size, like that only it is happen with our ribs. Okay. Alright, so then come to the 2 mark question. So 2 mark question is not that much you can say interesting or something, but it is good. Alright. Okay, is it clear for you? Right. Then 18 you can see what is the glucose here, what is the fat of that one, what is the uses of ATP. This is an important question. 25th one is, again ATP is a energy current for most cellular process. Okay, this is all about your chapter. Okay, is it clear here? Well, actually in this video is it till here only. Whatever in this everything we see here, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt with the newspaper or something else from here, that is it not something clear and something else from here. I hope is it clear, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 3 transformation, right? So actually this you can say a circulatory system. So in this we are going to see the notes with the most important question also, like 4 marks, 2 marks and 1 mark question also. So let's just start. So this is video is especially designed for the Telangana state board and Andhra state board. So according to their recommendation of the video they can watch. Okay, is it clear for you? Right, so let's see this here. Actually, I taken something 30 seconds to introduce this one because introduction is very important about any chapters. Okay, na? So actually, these are the all the important points of your chapter which I total covered here and which I total showing you here. Okay, na? So I hope you will understand. So these are the total 30 to 40 points. Is it according to your chapter? Is it given here? It is a something long chapter also, so you have to be a stay focused in this one and see this. All right, then see this 14 here is given 14 to 15. Vitamin K helps in a nutrition of foods. Okay, total 56 is important points of your chapter is given here. Then after 4 mark question is starting, so we already know that the 4 mark question is important questions. Okay, what is the transport system, how does this help to the organisms? Okay na? And these are the points is it given here, so you can see. Okay na? Actually it is not a morning time, but the crow is sounding here. I don't understand actually. Okay, what is the relations say between blood and plasma? Okay, don't think about relationship between boy and girl. It is about blood and plasma only. It is same only, but little bit different. Okay, right. Name the structure which are the present in the venous and lab. Okay, then see this one. Fourth one. What is the uses of platelets? So actually this is very important. Because my platelet is always down. Sometimes it is down in the 3 or 4 months. So it is important and how we can increase or decrease. So you have to understand this one. Then after write difference between astralis and distances, venous and arctics, xylema and phlegma. This is important. They will ask you what is the difference between xylema and phlegma. So make sure that you have to tell that what is the difference between xylema and phlegma. Okay, now this is very very important about xylema and phlegma. Okay. All right. Is it clear? Don't see. Xylema and phlegma is given here. Then after explain the way how to plant get water by osmosis through the root hair. Then after what is the root pressure, how it is useful to the plant. Okay na? Here you can get the image also. All right. So these are the 4 mark questions. Alright, so read the para and the name of the parts of the parts of the heart. Alright. Then if you are the value in the venous in the legs, fell in the stops and fall of the blood, what could be the consequence of this failure? Okay. Then 13 you can see how can you prove that the water is transported through the xylema. Alright. And here you can see what is the your inferences about experimental without results. Collect information about blood pressures of your school teacher or your neighbors and prepare a report on health program. What do you want to compare with the transformation of blood vessels? Okay. How do you feel about transformation of water in artery? Okay. After reading this lesson, what predicate you would suggest to your elders about edema? Alright. Simple method recommended by health professor are follow. And this is very important. This diagram is very important because in exam they will definitely ask you one diagram, that is a knob system diagram or hard, otherwise kidney diagram. But actually when I was written the exam of Telangana state, Hyderabad exam, So they will ask me draw the diagram of a heart or kidney, something they asked, but I didn't draw the diagram because I don't know how to draw diagram. I know how it is shape and size, but my drawing is very bad in that one, so I didn't draw. I leave it that question. But I attended this different question. So has a situation, whatever I face, don't face you. I hope you will not face this type of problem. So that's why I'm telling you. Okay. Right. So double circular. Okay. Then after two more question is starting here. You can see which type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart. Blood vessels that carry blood away from heart and something as a question here. According to you, you have to see that one. I hope you everyone for everything is clear for you and don't have any kinds of doubt and anything else from here also. All right. Which blood vessel carry blood for oxygenated? Okay. Then after you can see this one also. Okay na? Then what is the coagulation of blood? This is the external feature of heart and internal. Let's see. This is the diagram of heart and how you seeing the heart. Something of big like a structure. Okay, then one more question is starting. Are you directly contacted with the water and what is the heartbeat? Okay na. My once my teacher asked to my one friend in my classmate, what is heartbeat? He said that whenever the beating is started, that is called as heartbeat. This is a proper definition of heart, but actually it is not like that. Okay, now don't say this. How do you they feel that their footwear is what? We don't know. Our feeling is totally going to be hell on that one. Okay, what do you learn in Latin? I think bio paper is interesting for biological students, not for us. Because after that 10th class, lots of children go to the choose the bio. Mostly girls they will choose. Okay. By the way, is it clear here? Okay. So whatever in this, everything is clear only. Whatever in this, according to me, everything is clear. Everything is shown you, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this paper or something else from here also. So if you have any kinds of doubt, you just put in message. Otherwise, you just go to the our Instagram and something else. You can follow me there also. So we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to see the class 10th biology chapter 4 excretion. You can see the best deposing system also. Okay, excretion means that only. Okay, so in this we are going to see the notes of this one and also we will cover the most important question of this chapter. So let's start. So here is you can see symposies means most important headlights of your chapter is just written here. Okay na? So you can see this one, right? Okay, so you can see this. Kidney remove nitrogen waste from the body, maintain water balances. Okay, so totally like 30 to 40 points is it given about your chapter. So carefully you can see. Otherwise, if you don't want this type of you don't want notes, you want to directly most important questions, so directly you can jump through that one also. Okay na? But lots of children they want more explanation and more details in this one, so they will they will not go through the jumping and something else from that one. So but if you want only most important question, so you can go that one. Okay, so right, so till here the 4 mark question is started. So let's see. So what is the meant by the excretion means what is the excretion? Okay, so this is given here and here is it some question given. Okay, so this is a bio. Third one also you can see. All right, then fourth one is here, how to plant manage the waste materials. Okay, so actually it is also when we talking about human beings, we have to be talk about also plants also and animals also. Animals means we are only okay, and this is a diagram is given here how the like kidney failure how we can transfer this one. So is it given here? Okay, then sixth one you can see. Okay, right. Then after write different functions of PPT and DCT, kidney and arteries kidney, excretion and excretion, primary method and secondary method. Okay, the primary method is we have to dialysis and something. Secondary is that we have to change the totally kidney only. Okay, so actually this is a long process I think. Okay, kidney and artificial kidney. Okay. Excretion and secretion is given. Then what are the difference between primary metabolic and secondary metabolic? Here 8 1 also you can see. What are tiny filters as known urethra and something. The organ A of a person has been damaged. Okay. To keep your kidney healthy for long period, what question will you ask or natural society? The what are the gum allied tree in the your surrounding? Okay. Uses is also given. Collect the information about uses of different kinds of alcoholism circulatory. Okay, right. Then you also D unitary level diagram of LSS of kidneys. Yeah. Describe the structure of the renal tubular of the unitary level diagram. Then here you can see. Okay, here the little kidney and this is a taken picture from your textbook only. Okay, na? Right. Sixth one also you can see, and this is the answer. Okay. Actually, it is something. Okay. Actually, when I'm recording in my laptop, so something it has happened in laptop only. Okay, so when you have to scroll and scroll down, so by mouse it is happening. But don't worry, it is clear. If you want to explain the process of filter kidneys and something is it given here. How are the waste produces extension amoeba? How the amoeba is doing this one? It is given here. Right? What is meant by how it is meant by the body? Okay. Then give reason. Always represent is not excreted. Okay. Right. What is the difference between excretion and secretion is it given here? You can see. Okay, secretion is a movement of material from the one point to another. Okay, right. Sixth one you can see. Well, if it is clear, then see the one mark question here. What is the most percentage of the all waste product? And then here, in which animal flame cells are the cellular organs? Okay, and these are the one more questions. So I think it is not very helpful, but they will ask you in the like fill in the blanks MCQ questions. They will ask this type of question. Okay. So in this video it is still here only whatever in this chapter everything is I totally covered. So I hope everything is clear here and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this paper. So if you want to be ask any question to me, definitely you just keep the comment to me, otherwise just go to our Instagram and you can check out from there also. Okay, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 5 coordination. You can say the linking system also. Okay, so in this we are going to see all the important notes of this one and the important question also. So important notes I already read. This is a handwritten notes. which I type it in this one. Okay now. So when I was in 10th class, so this is I following this one. Okay now. And actually this is you can say it is especially for the AP and the TS only. Okay, so let's just start here. All right, so all our functions are carried out by the effects of the solar systems working together all the livings. Okay. Actually I got something cool and so that's why it is something squeezing and something else, right? So after the notes here you can see this is 4 mark questions. Okay, so 4 mark question start from here, right? Then you can see second one, give an example of the coordination in our body where the both hormonal and novel control functions together. Okay. Then third one you can see, consider that you are the passing by a garbage disposal area and you immediately cover your nose. Okay, so actually this is because of the smelling of the bed, smelling that will come, and we sometimes we feel vomiting that also. Actually this is a very different. Okay, affective numbers, it is mostly happening in the city only because city is a very, you can say, dirty because the people is irresponsible and they are the careless people. They will throw their all the dust from the outside only. But in I'm also in city I living, but in our city this is not something else, but in some area it is in our city also. Respector and effectors. Okay, by the knobs and metro knobs. So it's an experiment to show how roots grow away from the light in the most plants. Okay, then here you can see material required and procedure. Given examples to show how homogenes can be influenced visible of change to your body, and how does knobs different from ordinary cells and structure in. Okay, then seventh one you can see man is the most intelligent animals. What would you? Okay, so I don't think so. Okay, if you say female is intelligent then I will understand because female is very intelligent, more than man also. Because we cannot understand their mind also when they will change, right? Okay, so take it light. Okay na, don't take it in serious mood. All right, so here you can say cerebrum hemisphere. What is the relax arc and what are the component of it? Okay, then 12th one you can see here. After that the 2 mark question is starting from here. How does the photosynthesis in plants and something. Give an example to and explain how plants may immediately respond to the situation. Okay, and then here is the structure to nervous systems, and this diagram is also important because they will ask you this diagram also. Okay, and there is lots of chance because they ask in board exam differently. They will ask the difference between question and one diagram. They will definitely ask you definitely means definitely. It is 100% chance. Okay, right. Is it okay here? And then see this one, more brains power is expended, instruction suspense. Okay, then 1 mark question also here. Give example for what is the selection. Okay, what forms the gray matter of the brain. Alright, so actually something is missing. Well, here you can see this is the 1 mark questions. Well, so actually in this video is tutorial only, whatever in this everything I totally covered. So we will meet another video, and Jai Hind. How's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 6 reproduction. So actually this is especially for the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state board. So actually in this I'm going to show this notes of handwritten notes and some important question of this chapter also. Okay na? So let's see this here. So actually that was some introduction here for the 20 minutes, sorry, not 20 minutes, 20 seconds is it. because this video is also not going to be 20 minutes. Okay, now minimum it is going to be 4 to 5 minutes only. Okay, so according to your chapter, these are the sort of important question. Whatever is in important headlines and points is it already here. Then after your 4 mark question and answer is it. Write difference between excretion, sexual reproduction, esteem and capil. Okay, na? Then here you can say esteem and capil. Explain the process of fertilization in plant. Then what are the different methods of asexual reproduction? Write them with examples. Then fusions and bonding. Actually, this is a note here it is given. So this is a note or something, but this is a fragmentation, you can say. Photosynthesis registration. Okay. Then visit the nearby village and collect information. Observe the flow charts and part of the flowing. Prepare a note. So here 17 to 18 you can see, and then after the 17 to 80, 2 more question will start with answer. So here 2 more question is starting. So let's see this. Then after 1 more question is there. Okay. Like here you can see fourth one, when the food isn't growing inside, that's one. And what is the job of the aromatic gases? Okay, right. What does the mother's plots take away? Okay. How does reproduction help is providing a stability? Draw the label diagram. Okay. Then 10th one directly you can see. 1 more question and answer. Alright. So okay, then after you can see here what is the fertilization and what is the mean by external fertilization. Then that's one. Then here you can see. Okay, so well actually whatever in this one it is till here only, and we will meet another video. If you have any kinds of doubt, you just tell to me in the description, in the comment box. Otherwise in the description there is a link of the Instagram, you can check out the Instagram also. Okay na? So we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 7 coordinates in the life process. You can say coordination also. Okay na? So in this we are going to see all the notes of this chapter and most important question also. Okay now we see the notes and important question. So it is a notes here. So whatever the important topic in your chapter I already written here, and actually I written in my notes only, but I printed it out. Okay na? So here you can see. Okay na? So and this video is especially designed for the TS and AP. So according to the recommendation of this video, they can merge. Okay. After that, here the 4 mark question is starting. So this is the some important points. Okay, now these are, then after here is important point you can see. Okay, now give reason if you have pressed tongues against the plate. Okay. How can you say that mouth is a massaging muscles? Okay. Sixth one you can also see. What is the function of vesicles in these parts? Okay, so here it is a 16 one, and that is the diagram. Actually, when I'm also telling you lots of things, so I get also pain in tongue and is something, but little bit. So it is completed. So then series 17 to 18. Okay. Right, and then 19 we can see how do you show that breakdown of your food by using the model of sex species. Okay, then 20 you can see perform activity to show the function of different teeth in man. 21 you can see. Actually, when I'm recording in my laptop, it is happening sometimes. Okay, let us zoom out and zoom in. All right, and then see the 2 mark question here. And then here you can see what are the two organ systems involved in digestion of the food which we eat. Why we have to eat food? Because it is necessary. So that we have to eat. Alright. So actually my voice is sometimes clear, it is not clear, but what is it? I didn't understand. Okay, so one more question here. And then it is here. It is 10 question only in this one. So well, actually in this video it is till here only, but in this one everything is clear. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 8 heredity, most important notes with the most important question of the board exam. So in this we are going to see, this is of my previous year, you can say. When I was in 10th class I make these notes. So these are notes of that one which I type it. Okay na? So this is especially for TS and AP, so they can see. So these are the some important points about your chapter here I written. So let's see this here. Okay, let's see one by one, and in the between of that I will be quiet, and for where it is not necessary, where it is necessary to speak I will speak there, And if I quit, so don't think it's the video something and not something else. It is not like that. Okay, now so let's see. Okay, so then after you can see this is a 4 mark question is starting from here. Okay, now so let's see this 4 mark question, then 2 mark question, then 1 mark question. Okay. 11th one you can see. Then 12th. Alright, so 91 you can see here. Okay, now so actually that time I'm just looking at that, so I'm scrolling here. Okay, so after that here you can see hemo habits and hematoctors or something. Alright, then after here 2 mark question is starting, so let's see this 2 mark question, then we will see the 1 mark question. Right. This is the fear. Okay, you can see this one. Actually, it is also given in your textbook also. Parents and F2 generation. And till here, the 1 mark question is started. So let's see this. Okay, so actually in this, I'm sorry here. So in this there is a nothing is given, so it is still here only. Whatever in this one, everything is clear here. I hope everything is clear here, and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this paper and something else from here. So we will meet another video, and if you want to be give a comment, and if you want to be any kinds of help in this one, so you just give a comment to me. Otherwise, just go to the description and just see their Instagram is there. My Instagram, you can message me on Instagram, son of great mode, right? So we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 9, our environment. Okay, now so in this is you can say it is a notes, and we are going to see all the important question of this one also. Okay, so let's see this here. So this is my handwritten notes, but right now I type it and make it in the file, so you can see. And we are see the also important question, so and see that after the completing of this one. So these are the important question which are taking from your chapter only. This is especially for TS and AP. Okay, 4 more question and starting from here. Okay, so see this 4 more question. Actually, I'm sorry here, because it is something I was squirting something here, so that's why. All right, so 2 more question you can see. Actually, the screen is something up and down, so that's why, and I didn't focus in that one screen also. Okay, right. Okay, so make sure that it is clear for you, right? Okay, and then that's one you can see. Then any question here you can see, and the next here it is what is a biomass and something else you can see. Well, I hope whatever in this one everything is clear for you, and you don't have any kinds of doubt on this one. And if you have any kinds of doubts, so then just comment to me. Otherwise, just click on the description and you can check out the Instagram also, and you can message me there also. Okay, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind. Thanks. Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th biology chapter 10, which is our last chapter, natural resources. So in this is our note, and in this note we are going to see all the important points of this chapter and most important question also. So let's start here. Okay, so here you can see, and this video is especially designed for the Telangana State Board and Andhra State Board. So according to the recommendation of video they can watch. Okay, so then after you can see this is a 4 mark question starting from here. Okay, then here you can see. Okay, right. So suggested from here, suggested some ways of the diffusion of organisms of in your locality. Actually, suggested some ways of reviewing regions of your location locality. Okay. Actually this is screen is in the down of that me, so that's why it didn't visible. It is clearly for me. Okay now, that's why actually on a laptop is sometimes it is not working. I didn't understand what will happen, because lots of the pressure in this bone. Okay now, so that's why. Right, so let's see this. Okay, then see the 10th one. After that, here you can see the dipellum, and this is the Nagara vellum. Okay, actually this is the name something, a place and something. Right, then here you can see crop selected, and this is the cultivation. Right, okay, so then after here you can see that. So two more questions starting from here, and with the answer you can see this is the first question: what are the effects of the deforestation? Okay, and then after give an example of a recycling of a paper of the peoples. Okay, and what are the cases of the solidation? Okay, this is very important. What is the biodiversity? And what are the our mantra to the shape the environment? And sixth question is that do you think one need to the law of the resources? Okay, this is not necessary. Okay, now, so after that here one more question is starting. So let's see this. What happen if you damage your forest resources, and then after what is the sustainable development, and something is it? Okay now, so well actually in this it is still here only, whatever in this one everything is clear here. I hope everything is clear, and we will meet another video. If you have any kinds of doubt in this one, so just give a message to me. Otherwise go to our channel, and in the description also there is a link of the my Instagram. You can just message me on Instagram also. Okay, so let's meet in another video. Jai Hind.